What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is AJay, and here we discuss everything hair, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle vlogs. If you're already part of the AJay Gang, you already know what to do. Make sure you go grab yourself a snack, grab yourself a drink, so we can go ahead and jump right in. All right, y'all, so today I'm gonna do something a little different. Today I'm actually gonna take you guys behind the scenes of what I do as an entrepreneur. These are just one of the things that I do as an entrepreneur. Most people don't know that I am actually a hairstylist as well. I've been doing hair for almost a decade, actually over a decade now. And I'm currently located in Charlotte, North Carolina. So if you're in Charlotte, North Carolina, I will link my IG and my booking info down below. If you're out in this area and you need to get your hair done, if you took a trip out here, I know homecoming is coming up. I'm here for the slay. But yeah, so what I do is I do specialize in sewing. So wigs, closures, bundles, frontals, all the above. And I do the occasional protective styles. Protective styles are always great. I know it's been summertime. Summertime is passing, and now it's wintertime, and everybody wants them long, straight bundles, okay? I am here for it. So like I said before, if you're in the area, if you want to get your hair done, if you want to get some ideas and tips and tricks, let me know. All right, so enough about me. Let's talk about my clients. So over the years, because I've been doing this for such a long time, I have come across and been presented with a bunch of problems that my clients would have, okay? So the main problem that a lot of my clients have is that they either don't know how to wash their hair, they don't know how to wash their bundles, they don't know how to take care of their hair, they don't know how to take care of their bundles, hence why they go get it done. Makes sense, right? That's why you have a hairstylist. So with these needs, I decided to come up with a service that actually accommodates the problems that my clients have. And the service that I just dropped, if you follow my IG page, I just dropped a hair restoration service, okay? And that is to take care of all the issues that my clients have before the appointment, honestly. Or if you are going to somewhere else, or if you just want to keep reusing your wigs and your bundles and you want to get it done by whoever, and you just like, oh my gosh, I do not know how to clean my hair. I need help. Somebody send help. I'm here, okay? So the actual restoration service has 4 different sections. And the 4 different sections include a wash service, a closure and frontal service, a cut, and a curl. So over here, I'm gonna let me move over. Over here, I'm gonna show you guys the pricings of everything that I have and what's offered at each service. So for the wash service, I have a co-wash, and those are gonna be for bundles that are lightly used. So say you wore it like 3-4 times, you know what I mean? You just didn't really do too much to it, and you maybe want to redo a wig or make a ponytail. That's going to be that co-washing service. My deep condition service is for regular use. So let's say you had it in for a couple months, you know what I mean, and you consistently get your hair done, you can use that deep condition service. And then you have the ultimate restorative wash. So that is for my people who like, look, I had this year for a wig. Sorry. I had this wig for a year, and I just can't get it as clean as I want to get it, or I just don't know how to do it. It's curly hair and it tangles too much, and I feel like I'm ripping it out. I don't want to mess up the closure, the bundle. I got you, okay? That's going to be the ultimate restorative wash, okay? So it's excessively used. Then my next service is the closure and frontal service. For the closure and frontal service, I do provide a wash and a removal of glue for both a frontal and a closure. So those are going to be the same price. I have a bleach and tint service, and the bleach and tint is for the knots. So say you just got a new bundle, or not bundle, but a frontal or closure, and you need help matching that color. Or if you already dyed that frontal or closure and you feel like it's orange, you know, they didn't oxidize the color, I can help you with that. Also, I do the bleach and tint and pluck service, okay? So I will pluck a nice hairline for you per your hairline. All right, and then the next service I have is the cut service. I have 5 different style of cuts that I do. I do the regular trimming of the ends, so you can trim the ends of the curly hair if you feel like it's getting really raggedy or dry, straight hair, wavy hair, whatever it is. I have a blunt cut, so the short length is shoulder or down. And then I have the long cut. So if you want that crisp, like down your back, but you want that straight across cut, I do that as well. And I also do bangs. All right, feather bangs, China doll bangs, the bangs that go like this, whatever bangs you would like. And then the last service that I offer is the curling service. So I have the silk press, which is, you know, a nice pin straight look if you need it. If you have wavy hair and you want it to get pin straight, I can do that as well. I have the beach curl, the body wave, and I have the bouncy curls. So, you know, my girls that like the big body, big body curls, the beachy wave curls, and let's say, and the beach body and bouncy. Yeah, so I give you all of those, and a lot of times we do that with the wigs. People have wigs these days, and if you want it to be done out the package, I'm here. Okay. All right, so now that I talked about the services that I'm launching, we're actually going to restore wig. Okay, so I'm gonna actually take you guys to restore a wig with me. You're gonna see what I do, some of the products that I use, why I do some things, and we're just gonna make this client as happy as possible. All right, y'all, so here she is. She is fabulous. She is long. She is curly, my favorite kind of hair. I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like before I detangle. It is curly hair, so curly hair naturally gets tangled. Not even going to sweat it. My client just said she hasn't worn it in a while and she wants to wear it again. And you know, when you got that good hair, a quick little condition brings everything back to life, okay? So here's what the hair construction looks like. Here's the lace. It is not ear to ear. However, it's lace and you still have lace around the perimeter. Here's a comb. The construction is very neat. So this detangle is going to be quite easy. I'm just going to stick it back on the mannequin head, and I'm going to start with the detangle. With detangling wigs and hair, I like to spritz it with some water. Now, do I recommend to spritz your hair with water before you detangle your natural hair? No, because your hair is weaker when it's wet. For the wigs, however, it does make the detangling process extremely easy. All right, and then when I start brushing it out, I'm going to brush it out all the way to the ends with the closure, and then I'm going to start at the ends for the rest of the hair and work my way up. Now, this is going to take a little bit of time. I sped it up for you guys. I'm just going to play some music so you can enjoy this detangle. We will be using this Tresemme Moisture Rich shampoo along with the silicone mix conditioner. If you have never used silicone mix, baby, let me tell you, it is a gift sent from heaven, okay? Before we get started though, I'm going to drench this wig. When I say drench, I don't want to see any dry spots in this wig anywhere. Okay, why? Because when I lather up the shampoo to rinse out my wig, I want it to be clean. I want it to get every inch of the wig. I want it to get through the lace. It needs to be clean as possible. Okay, so I'm going to sit here and watch this. I'll play some music and you guys enjoy. Time to condition. Alright, so I'm going to take a scoopful, fingerful, however much you feel like you need. Like I said, the wig really was not in that bad condition. It's just curly hair. So, you know what I mean? But notice how I'm applying the conditioner on the hair. I'm applying it in one motion, one direction. Because when dealing with curly hair, you want to, one, always keep the curls intact. You don't want to create knots. And you just want to make sure that the conditioner is getting all the hair from root to tip. Okay, so I'm just over here going through this. I'm going to detangle. And then we shall almost be done. Alright, so here we are, and look at this, y'all. Look at this. This brush glide through this hair like butter. Oh, I just love this hair. So the detangle before we washed it definitely helped. And then the detangle with the conditioner made it even better. So now I'm going to go ahead and comb the closure back so I can see how I need to reconstruct this lace. The lace really held very well. You can tell it's already plucked. I'm just going to trim it a little bit. I'm trying to see how much space there is with the baby hairs versus the amount of lace that's out. And then I'm going to determine what I need to do from there. But yes, I'm just eyeing it, looking at what I need. I asked my client what kind of part they wanted. She set a side part, so I went ahead and parted it for her so I can style it so it's a glueless kind of wig situation. But yes, I'm parting it here. And then I'm just, like I said, going to trim the lace, swoop some baby hairs, and we done. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I actually do and all the stuff that I do. If you do want to use the service, of course, again, I will link my information down below. I will link my email and my IG down below in the description. If you're not from here and you want to try out the service, please contact me, hit up the email. We can have a one-on-one consultation to determine what you need for your hair, what you're looking for, and what you can get, and go through that whole process. But with that being said, you guys know I appreciate you guys taking this journey with me. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys are giving me. Like, I'm a complete stranger, but hopefully I'm not gonna be a stranger for long. If you're new to my channel, thanks for watching it. You can hit that subscribe button if you want to keep seeing me. And if you want to know some more information about how things are going, how this entrepreneur lifestyle is going, shit is still hard, but we still getting through it. Y'all going through it with me, and yeah, I really appreciate y'all. But that's all I have to say for today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.